There is one simple drink, something you can make in your kitchen right now that has the power to completely cleanse out your gut and getting things moving again within hours. And yet most people walk past it every single day without knowing what it can do for them. And today I am going to show you exactly what it is and how it works and how to use it the right way. And the drink is warm lemon water with psyllium husk and a touch of honey. Yes, that is simple, but let me show you why this specific combination is so powerful, because each ingredient is doing something very specific inside your body. So ingredient number one is the warm water, not cold water, warm water, because warm water gently stimulates the muscles of your digestive tract, the same way a warm bath relaxes your muscles on the outside. Warm water tells your intestine that it is time to move. Cold water can actually slow down digestion, but warm water activates it. Then ingredient number two is fresh lemon juice. Lemon juice is mildly acidic, and this acidity does something brilliant. It triggers the production of bile in your liver, and the bile is a substance in your body that uses to break down food and push it through your digestive system. Lemon juice also helps to hydrate your intestinal linings. It's softening whatever is stuck inside, making it easier to pass. Then the third ingredient is psyllium husk. This is the most powerful ingredient. Psyllium husk is a natural plant fiber, and when it hits water, it swells up and forms a thick gel. This gel does two things. It absorbs water and adds bulk into the stool, making it soft and easy to pass. It acts like a gentle broom sweeping along the walls of your colon, pushing everything out. And it is used in hospital. It is recommended by gastroenterologists, and it is completely natural. Then the fourth ingredient is raw honey. It is optional but very powerful. Raw honey contains natural enzymes that help your gut break down food better. It also acts as prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut so they can do their job more efficiently. And it makes the drink taste good, so you will actually want to drink it every day. So together, these four ingredients create the most effective, natural, fast-pacing, gut-cleansing drink you can make at home. So how fast does this work? Many people feel the results within 6 to 12 hours, some within just a few hours. And if you drink consistently for 5 to 7 days, your gut rhythm can completely reset. And if this is already making sense to you, if you know someone who struggles with bloating, sluggish guts, or constipation, I want to ask you for something, not for me, but for them. Hit that like button right now, because when you like this video, YouTube shows it to more people who needs this information. You might be helping someone who is suffering in silence right now. That's a real difference you can make. Thank you very much for that. Now, moving forward, I want to talk to you seriously for just a moment, because a lot of people brush off constipation as just a minor inconvenience. They think, oh, it will pass on its own. But chronic constipation, when it goes on for weeks, months, or even years, can lead to real health consequences. So what can happen over time? Number one, hemorrhoids. Hemorrhoids is characterized by swollen veins in the rectum caused by constant straining. So it is painful and difficult to treat. The second problem is anal fissures. These are small tears in the lining of the anus. This can cause bleeding and severe pains. Then the third problem is fecal impaction. When stool becomes so hard and compacted, it can no longer move on its own. This requires medical intervention. Then the fourth problem is toxic buildup. When waste sits in your colon for too long, toxins can begin to be reabsorbed back into your bloodstream, and this causes fatigue, brain fog, skin problems, and a weakened immune system. There is also increased risk of colon problems. You see, long-term constipation has been associated with higher inflammation in the colon lining, because your gut is designed to move every single day. When it stops moving and when it stops doing that, your entire body pays the price. This is why what you are about to learn in the next 30 seconds is not just helpful, but it is very necessary. And let me give you the exact recipe and the simple plan to use it correctly. You will need 1 cup of warm water, not boiling, just comfortably warm water, warm like a warm tea. Then use of Have a fresh lemon, squeeze it in fresh. Do not use a bottle kind. Then 1 teaspoon of psyllium husk powder. It is available at any pharmacy, health store, or online. Very affordable. Then 1 teaspoon of raw honey. This might be optional, but it is highly recommended. And here is how to make it. Step 1. Heat your water until it's warm, not boiling. Then step 2. Squeeze in your lemon juice. Then step 3. Add the psyllium husk and stir immediately. Psyllium husk taken quickly, so drink it within 30 to 60 seconds of mixing. And step 4. Add honey and stir very well. Then step 5. Drink it slowly but steadily. The best time is the first thing in the morning on an empty stomach before any food or any coffee. Gut is most receptive in the morning. Warm liquid first thing in the morning triggers what we call gastrocolic reflex. It is a natural signal your body sends to your colon to start moving. So drinking this on an empty stomach amplify the effects. And there are lifestyle changes that boost your results. The first change is you need to drink more water throughout the day. Psyllium husks need water to work properly, so aim for at least 6 to 8 cups of water every day. Without enough water, adding fiber can actually make constipation worse, so drink up. Then the second change you need to adapt is that you need to walk after meals. Even just a 10-minute slow walk after eating activate the muscles in your digestive system. This is one of the most underrated tools for gut health. You do not need a gym, just walk. Then number 3, add this to your daily diet. Add papaya because it contains papain, which is an enzyme that breaks down food and move it throughout the gut. Then oats. Oat is rich in soluble fiber and this helps to soften the stew. Then prunes and dry figs. It is natural, gentle, relaxative that has been used for centuries. Then don't forget sweet potato because it is high in fiber and easy on the stomach. Then yogurt with live cautious because it feeds your good gut bacteria and improve your overall gut movement. Now there are some things you should avoid. You need to avoid processed food, white bread, fast food because they strip your gut of fiber and clog your system. Also excessive dairy products like cheese, milk, all these can slow bowel movements in many people. Then too much caffeine and alcohol can dehydrate your body and your guts. Then also sitting for long hours without moving your gut. You see, your gut needs your body to move. And here is what you need to expect. That from day 1 to day 2, your gut starts to wake up. You'll feel less bloated, and from day 3 to day 4, most people experience their first proper easy bowel movements. Then from day 5 to day 7, your gut is finding a new rhythm. So morning movement starts to become more regular. Then after 2 weeks, many people report feeling better, more energetic, with less belly discomfort and improved digestion overall. This is not a short-term fix. This is a habit that can change how your gut works for the rest of your life. And if this video helped you even a little, please give it a like. It really helps more people who are struggling to find this information. You can subscribe to this channel. Every video we make is designed to help you understand your body better in plain, simple language. No confusing medical jargons, no confusing medical terms, just real, helpful, useful information you can use today. So thank you very much for your watching. Take care of yourself, take care of your gut, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.